Hello everyone, my name is Dorcas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be teaching you how you can create a birthday flyer. So in this video, we're going to create a very simple and fine birthday flyer. It's very simple and easy. So all you have to do is just to go through the same process and then you're good to go. You can create a simple birthday flyer for your friends and loved ones. So I'm going to go to the gallery. I'm going to go to my gallery and get an image that I want to use for the background. So I'll go through this and then get the background I want to use. So I'm going to select this and then I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to use this as the background. This is the background I'm going to use for the design. So it's well seated. Then the next thing I want to do is to go back to my image again and then select the picture of the client or the person I want to design the birthday flyer for. So you're going to go through your phone, or if you can use your picture or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to use this picture for this design. So you just select the particular picture you want to use for the design. Make sure the picture you're going to use is a nice picture that will bring out the design. So just select a very fine picture that we use and then you're good to go. So I'm going to select this picture right here and then I'm going to use the cycle crop to bring it to the pixel lab. So this is how the picture looks. It comes in this black background. So I'm going to use the circle image and cycle crop and then crop it to the size that I want. And then once it's okay with what I want, it's okay, I'm going to click on OK. That's the mark sign there to OK it and then take it to the pixel lab. So this is how it is on the pixel lab. So what I'm going to do now is to centralize it. I'll centralize it. Once that is done, the image looks so simple. So I want to add stroke. So enable the stroke and then put this color. Yeah, I will increase the stroke color to 5464. And this is okay. This is how it looks with the stroke. It's okay. The next thing I want to do now is to type the happy birthday. You know, it's a birthday, it always comes with a happy birthday. That's what I want to do now. So I'm going to type in a happy birthday. Happy birthday. I want my B to have a capital B, so I'm going to make it a capital B. Yes, happy birthday. And then I'm going to increase the size. Once that is done, I'm going to centralize it. Happy birthday. And then go to the font. I want to use a very fancy font, taken by virtue. That's what I'm using. So I'm going to select from this font and then get the one that I want to use for the design. These are fancy design fonts. I'll use this. This is how it comes. You can see how fancy it is. For this is just for the happy birthday. So what I want to do now is to go to the padding, because some of the image that came from that font was not complete. So I'm going to increase the font, the padding by the right and by the left. So you can see it's better this way. Came out better. So this is done. What I want to do next is to add color. I want to add color to happy birthday, just birthday. Yes, I want to add just color to the birthday just to bring it out a little. And then whichever way you want it, you can change it to any color, whichever color you want to use. Just make sure that it's a color that goes with the design, and the color that you're using, let it not be much. If you're using two color, let it be just two color. Don't use too much color, I've said. And if you want to use it, the color on both happy and birthday, you can use it. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the color on birthday. So I want to change the color or the stroke of the image to the same color I have with the birthday. So once that is done, I will centralize the image also, to make sure that it's well seated. Once that is done, the image is well seated, and then I want to move it up a little, and then move this up a little so I can get enough space under. And then I'm going to type in a birthday, which you should I'm going to type in the name of the celebrant. This is the name of the celebrant. You can decide not to put the name of the celebrant, but if you decide to put the name, this is how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put change the font. I'm going to use a simple font. This is the font I'm using, and then I'm going to put a background on it. I'm going to use this color as the background. Yes, we're using just two different colors on this design. This is the color I want. You can change the color of the text inside if you want, just so you get just go through the process and then get what you want. So I'll try changing it to black, but no, I think the white looks better on it. This is much better. Then I'll centralize it, make sure it's always at the center of your work. If you're doing it's center alignment, make sure everything is at the center. So what I want to do now is I want to increase the radius of the background, to make it look more fancy and fine. So this is how it comes out. I want to add, no, this doesn't look, the shade doesn't look good on it, so I removed it, and then it's good. I want to type in the birthday witch now. So I'm going to add a +1 sign so that the image doesn't just stay like this. So I'm going to get a shape that will put it inside. I'm going to put this +1 to the inside the shape I'm going to get. So once this is done, I'm going to check for a font and then select the font. So I've gotten a shape, and then I'm going to get a circle shape and then put it by this head side of the image here on top there, and then I'm going to move it using the cursor here to move it, and then change the color to the same color with this. We're using just two colors, so we're using just these two colors. So I'm going to put in the +1. I'll bring it forward, and then I'm going to reduce the size to make sure that it's well seated and put it well. So I'm going to move it and place it the right way. I'm going to change the font to get a very simple and bold font. This is the font. This looks good. The font is okay. So this is well seated and it's okay. The birthday, happy birthday. The birthday flyer is looking good the way it is now, but I'm still going to add a little. So I'm just going to type this. The birthday witch. I wish you long life and prosperity in good health. So that is done. I'm going to place it right behind the name. I told you we're doing a center alignment for this video. For this design, we're doing center alignment. So everything is at the center. So I'm going to put it right here, and then I'm going to reduce the size a little. Yeah, this is okay. And then move it a little, centralize it. And then the next thing I want to do is
Okay. And
type
mine
in
will still go to what I
the
wrote
name,
on
so
your
that the
frame because
person
it
I'm doing
looks
this birthday
different from the
flyer
rest.
for
I had to
can
still go there
know
so you
that
see it,
this is
and I
from
have to
this
save
person.
my work as a
So this is
project.
what I did, and then it's okay.
I'm just
The
taking
next thing
our
I'll
time
do is
because
to
it's
save
not
my
a useful
project, save
project.
as projects, save the
And
project
I
name, and
save as
then
ultra.
save at ultra. You save it to your
Yes, my
image.
image is saved
So this is
and
how
it's
the
already
image
saved in my
looks
gallery. Can
on
you
my
see?
phone.
It's
This is
saved
how
in my
it is,
gallery. Sorry
and
for the
it
background
is
noise, wherever
all
the
good.
background is.
I hope
The
you
image is
all
already
like
saved in my
the
gallery. How do you
video.
see it? I want
Just go
every one of
through the
us to
process, and
recreate a
then you're
birthday
good to
design
go.
like
You
this.
can try it
Now I
with
created
different
a birthday
colors
design
and
too
different
of different
background,
formats.
and then the image
Different
you're using.
formats. Before I've
Make sure you
created some
subscribe if you have not
so you
subscribed, and hit the
can
notification
just
bell so you don't
check
miss out on our
around birthday
next video.
designs and
Thank you.
create your own.